Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Ala. Today I am going to tell you some important remedies for common winter problem, itchy skin and joint pains. Itchy skin is one of the most common problem that people face during winter. Cold temperature with low humidity result in winter itch. The best way to prevent yourself from itchy skin is to follow some of the remedies passed on by your grandmother. Avoid eating oily street foods. Apply almond, coconut and olive oil on your skin to avoid flakes. Drink tea that is made with jaggery. Joint pain. There is no scientific evidence of joint pain in winter, but there are many people who do suffer from joint pain in winter. Some of the most common remedies to get relief from joint pains is keeping yourself and your feet warm. Also wear 1 or 2 pair of thin clothing instead of wearing one heavy warm cloth. Exercising is also another way to get rid of all joints and muscle stiffness during winter without overdoing it. Basking in sun is also a great way to get rid of all joint ache. Let's build wellness rather than treating disease. Thank you.